Welcome to our lesson number 8, and in this lesson I want to address specifically those students who did their KCSE last year and anyone else interested to venture into the world of accounting. You got a D plane, you got a C minus, you got a C plus, and you are wondering what next in life. What opportunities are available for me? I'm here to give you one of the options that you can pursue in your life. And what I want to mention here is about the Kasneb programs. These are opportunities, or these are programs that have given students many opportunities countrywide. When you pursue Kasneb programs, and I will be specifically talking about accounting, we are going to see where can you start when you have a C plus, where can you start when you have a C minus, and where can you start when you have a D. And remember, these are programs which you can start with a D and you end up getting a PhD. PhD in the sense that you are going to grow from a D, you go to a C minus, you go to a C plus program until you reach to a degree level and you advance further. Therefore, without wasting a lot of time, let me introduce you to 3 Kasneb programs which are very important. And I will log into Kasneb website, and you may be wondering, what is Kasneb? Kasneb is a government parasite, or is mandated to give programs that are accepted nationally. If you go through the Kasneb programs, you are eligible. Now, I'm going to Kasneb website, and good. Let it load. It's still loading. Good. On Kasneb website, I want to give you 3 opportunities that you can fit in. Yeah, 3 every student who qualified for, who finishes Form 4. And the first program, let me come here. I will begin with a certificate qualification, the least program that you can enroll. Certificate qualification, that is the least. Kasneb offers certificate in accounting and management skill program that impact knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes to prepare basic accounts and financial statement for small enterprises or non-complex environment, and apply basic mathematics and basic management and marketing skills in business. Therefore, what qualification do you need to enroll for this program? Remember, according to Kasneb website, they're saying you that you will be equipped with skills, the skills which will be able to help you to prepare financial statements, understand the basic accounting for small enterprise and non-complex environment. So, if you got a D plane, the minimum entry requirement is KCSE mini grade over D. If you got a D plane and you want to start a world in accounting, don't get discouraged. Start with the basic skills. Yeah, they're saying that certificate in accounting and management skill, that is the program that you're going to enroll into. Then this course is administered in 2 levels, with each level requiring an average of 6 months. That's a total of 1 year. It is mainly for persons who wish to qualify and work as entry level in accounting and management personnel. Therefore, if you want to start the one in accounting and your qualification is a D, you can enroll for a certificate in management, a certificate in accounting and management skills. This certificate will take you a minimum of 1 year. And then what are you going to learn? You are going to have learn in 1 year. It's divided in 6 months and it is in 2 levels. Level 1, you are going to learn the principle of entrepreneurship and management, introduction to law and ethics, foundation in ICT skills or fundamental ICT skills, and fundamental business mathematics. That is what you're going to learn in level 1. Level 2, you're going to learn foundation of accounting and elements of taxation plus principle of marketing and communication. Now, this is for a student who scored a D and is saying, there are those people tell you, this D, you cannot make it in life. You go back to school or no, you go and you go to polytechnic. Not necessarily that. Immediately you qualify for this certificate, I can guarantee you can easily get a job. In fact, look at this. You only learn for 1 year. After 1 year, you're already working and you finance yourself for other qualification. Now, that is a D student. Let's look for another category of student. Another category of student, and this is at diploma level. At diploma level, you're saying Kasneb currently administers 3 diploma programs. The diploma programs are administered in 2 levels, with each level requiring an average of 1 year. Remember, in a diploma program, you are going for 2 years. In a certificate program, you are going for 1 year. And the diploma level, you are going to have 2 years. The qualification can currently be pursued through a tuition-based program or private. And what do you need to enroll for a diploma level in accounting? The minimum entry requirement for a diploma course is a KCSE with a mean grade of a C-. Now, you are going to learn, these are some of the diploma programs, but basically what I want to mention is about Accounting Technicians Diploma, ATD, because that is the line that we shall be focusing more. So the other diploma programs are also available. So in case you want to enroll for them, you can enroll and pursue your dreams. So we have checked a student with a D, a student with a C-. What about a student who scored a C? A professional course. And let me mention this. This program, professional course, they are equivalent to most of the degree programs we have around. If you enroll for this professional course with your qualification, at the end you will be equal to someone with a degree program. But now, what do you require here? We're saying Kasneb currently administers 5 professional courses. The professional courses are administered at foundation level, in an intermediate level, and advanced level. Each level requires an average of 1 year, although candidates are advised to provide an additional 1 year to meet requirements for internship and practical experience. The minimum entry requirement for professional course is a KCSE mid-grade of C+. There are very many. There are how many? There are 5 of them. There are 5 of them, which are offered by Kasneb, and immediately you qualify on these programs. I can assure you, you are not less than a graduate on the same. Now, the first one is Certified Public Accountant, CPA. That is where I'm going to, from my side, that's where I'm going to specialize in. And then you can also have Certified Secretariat, Certified Credit Professional, Certified Investment and Financial Analyst, and finally, you can have another program called Certified Information System Solution. Now, this can get into and ultimately make it in life, depending on which level you want to start. If you have a D, you can still pursue accounting. If you have a C-, you can still pursue accounting. If you have a C+, you can still pursue accounting and make it in life. Never get discouraged with whichever grade you got. Now, I want to move to something else shortly. Good. Now, what about how much do I require to pursue those programs? We have mentioned about the programs. Now, how much is the money? How much money do you need as fees? Now, let me start with a professional course, or let me start with certificate course. Certificate course, you need to have 3,500 and visit Kasneb office, or you can still do it online, but I will request you to visit Kasneb office with 3,500. Then, in this case, you will be able to, in this case, you are registering for an exam so that Kasneb can give you an opportunity to sit for an exam. 3,500. And remember, immediately you register, every year, if you're not able to complete your program within the stipulated time, every year you will be paying an annual registration fee of 1,200. Now, for degree program, you need to visit the Kasneb office, and the fee is 6,000 for registration, and renewable fee per year is 1,600. Meaning that you will continue be paying this money. If you take 10 years, or you take 5 years, you take 2 years, this renewable fee will continue being charged on you. For professional examination, you need to visit Kasneb office, register with the 7,500, and renewable fee is 2,000 every year. Now, this is registration. You have not paid for your exams. How much do you need to pay for your exam? Examination fees for a certificate in accounting and management skills, each paper you are going to pay 800 for level 1. Remember, there are 2 levels, and level 2 you are going to pay 1,000. So depending on the number of papers that you wish to do. By the way, if you are too busy, you can even sit for only 2 papers. If you are not busy, you can sit for all of them. Now, that is, remember, these levels are supposed to be done within 1 year. Level 1, 6 months, depending on the number of papers you want to sit for. Level 2, 6 months. If you are able to finish them within 1 year, you are done. In a diploma examination, a diploma examination is supposed to be done within 2 years, and there are 3 levels. Level 1 is 1,000, level 2 1,200, and level 3 1,300 per paper. That means if I want to do 2 papers, I will only pay 2,000. Good. If you have said you got and register with Kasneb, pay for an exam. What next? Before I move to what next, I want to look at professional exam. Professional exam, and in this case, I'm specializing with accounting. I'm saying professional exam when you have a C+, there are 3 levels. There is foundation level, intermediate level, and advanced level. In foundation level, there are 6 papers. Each paper you pay 1,400. Intermediate level, each paper you pay 2,400. And advanced level, each paper you pay 3,600. So far, I've mentioned what you need to do as much as the registration of exams is concerned. What about learning? Kasneb and where you want to go to school are 2 different things. You go to school to a university, you go to school to a college, you go to school to an individual. What matters is you to pass their exams. Therefore, you are going to look for a professional lecturer, and I will be practicing on this very shortly. I will be giving out videos on some of these lessons, and I can also meet you in private and become your lecturer. Or you visit a college. In Mombasa, there are several colleges. In Nairobi, there are several colleges. You can also go to some of the university, like Strathmore University. They're offering professional courses. Now, where you're going to where the college you're going to learn, they are going to direct you on the best center for an exam. Therefore, immediately you register for an exam, you look for a college. If you don't want to go to a college, you can look for materials and read on your own. If you are able to comprehend the content and prepare for an exam, this is another opportunity for you to go and practice accounts. So, good. I've mentioned about the fees and what you need to do to sit for these exams. Let now me go to internet details about these programs. Now, immediately you register for a certificate program. That means the course that you do for 1 year. When you want to go to a diploma program, there are 6 units that are in diploma, not 6, 4. 4 units that are in diploma program that you're going to be exempted. And the first unit for exemption is so immediately you graduate with the certificate program. Those are the units that will be exempted, which are in a diploma program. And immediately you graduate in a diploma program, when you want to go to a professional course, you're also going to be exempted some units that are in professional course because they are repetition of what you had done in a diploma program. And immediately you finish a professional course, you want to go to a degree program, still all university will exempt you some units that are supposed to be done in a university level, but you did them in a professional course qualification. So therefore, those are some of the units you can still, when you start with a diploma, when you go to a degree, when you start with a certificate, you go to a diploma, you learn few years. When you have done diploma, you go to a professional course, you still learn few years because you will be exempted from some units. Now let's look at some of the units that you are going to learn in a diploma program. I said in a diploma program, we call it ATD, is going to take you 2 years. And these are the units that you're going to learn in a diploma program. In level 1, you're going to learn Introduction to Financial Accounting, Introduction to Law and Ethics, Entrepreneurship and Communication, Information Communication Technology. In level 2, you're going to learn Financial Accounting, Principles of Management, Business Mathematics and Statistics, Principle of Taxation. In level 3, you're going to learn Principles of Economics, Fundamental of Management Accounting, Fundamental of Finance, and the Principles of Auditing. That is the courses that you're going to learn under a diploma program. Now, let's look at the courses that you're going to learn under a professional course program. In a professional course program, which now, after this course, you are now eligible to join a university for a degree program. And you can still be in a degree program and do a professional program. A professional programs, you are going to begin with foundation level, where you are going to learn financial accounting, communication skills, introduction to law and governance, economics, quantitative analysis, information communication technology. In intermediate level, you are going to learn company law, financial management, financial reporting and analysis, auditing and assurance, management accounting, public finance and taxation. And in advanced level, you are going to learn leadership and management, advanced financial reporting and analysis, advanced financial management, advanced taxation. And this advanced taxation is a specialization. That means once you're done with the mandatory 3, you specialize with 1 in the other session. Advanced auditing and assurance, advanced management accounting, and advanced public financial management. So these are programs that are available to a student and they provide employment. Immediately you finish these programs, you can be able to work in a bank, you can be able to be a school bursar, you can be able to be an accountant, you can be an auditor. Specifically, if you take the CPA programs, which are the accounting programs. CPA programs, you're going to start with a certificate in accounting, you go and do ATD, then you end up with a CPA finalist. Therefore, at this juncture, I want to mention that I'm launching classes for a CPA program. So those who want to join those classes, they can easily follow up to my channel, and similarly, you can have a one-on-one interaction with me, but my classes will be online. We can keep interacting and I will help you to go through these programs. Otherwise, in a short term, those are the programs and the courses that are available with Kasneb for those who want to specialize in accounting. But those who don't want to specialize in accounting, you want to be a secretary for a company secretary and the rest, there's still other programs you can enroll for. Otherwise, thanks for watching and welcome.